I'm gonna show you how to cook something that I learned when I used to work in a restaurant. I was never a chef, I never worked in the kitchen. I used to be a waiter, but I used to see the chef prepare this recipe and it was amazing. Let me ask you a question. Do you like fish? If you do, then stick around. You're gonna like this. We have some fish fillet over here, and we're gonna cut it. Make sure your fish is very thick. Okay, it doesn't have to be thin at all. The thicker, the better. Okay, so you're gonna cut it this way. You can use any type of fish for this recipe. I'm using something that is called dorado here, and we're gonna use panko breadcrumbs, Japanese style. You're gonna use maybe like 1 cup, half cup of white flour, and we're gonna crack 2 eggs in here, and you're gonna mix it with a fork. Yeah, I like cooking fish at home. It's amazing, something easy to do. Okay, so this is a very fast and easy recipe. Make sure you cut the one lime. We're gonna get all the juice and use it on top of the fish. I like to add lime to the fish. I think this is a good idea. And if you like ceviches, yeah, you can watch some of my recipe. We have some recipe for how to make ceviches. You can use any type of spices. I'm using salt, paprika, lemon pepper, anything. You can use any spices of your choice as always. Make sure you use it on all the sides of your fish. And you can put the spices on your flour if you want, but I prefer to add it to the fish. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is grab a piece of fish. You see how thick it is? Make sure you put it in the white flour. You're gonna coat it all around, and then you're gonna pass it through the eggs. You can use a glove, that's a good idea. And after that, just use it on your breadcrumbs. Make sure you use something that is called panko, Japanese breadcrumbs. It's a little white. It's not brown color, but if you don't find it, you can use the brown one. Okay, so just place it on a plate. One more time, I'm gonna show you what I did. You grab a piece of fish, and by the way, the fish doesn't have any bones in here. Make sure you can use salmon too if you want. Then it goes in the eggs, and after that in the breadcrumbs. That's it. Yeah, so I used to work in a restaurant in San Francisco a long time ago in California, and I was a waiter there, and people used to love this. Now, for this recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make a salad. It's gonna be very fast. We're gonna forward the video. You use a cucumber, and you're gonna get all the seeds out of there, and you're gonna cut it in this way, like that, little pieces, okay? After you cut this, you're gonna set it aside on a plate, and we're gonna use half of one onion. Just cut in little pieces. And we're gonna use cilantro. Just cut it this way. I'm gonna use 1 red bell pepper. Remove the seeds, remove the membrane, and just cut it in little pieces. Yeah, this is a good salad for any type of fried fish if you want. This is almost something like a pico de gallo, but it's kind of different. I like to add more stuff. You can use a jalapeno if you want. I'm gonna use 2 tomatoes and just cut it the same way you cut all the vegetables. Make sure you prepare this salad before you cook your fish, okay? The longer you leave this salad marinating, it's gonna get more flavor. The juice of 2 lime, just squeeze everything, and you're gonna add a little bit of sea salt and some olive oil. And just combine everything here. You can add 1 avocado if you want. Oh yeah, I forgot. I had an avocado in here, and I said, okay, we're gonna add it to this salad. And you can see the avocado was it was gonna get a little bit bad, so I said, okay, let's use it before it goes into waste. And combine everything here. Presto. This is gonna be very good to eat with your fish. So you add some oil in a pot. You can use 2 tablespoons if you want. Make sure the oil is hot. I like to measure to like 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's very hot, then you start letting your piece of fish in there. You drop it. You can add 1 or 2 pieces. That's it. And you're gonna wait 3 minutes. Wow, this is very, very good. I like it a lot. Oh my God, look at how beautiful. You guys stick around because I'm gonna show you how to cook a fish sandwich. Like, there's not a video like on YouTube. You have to watch it my way and you're gonna enjoy it. Okay, so you drop 2 more pieces in the oil and you wait 3 minutes and that's it. And then you cut it and this is beautiful. Look at this. Wow. I hope you guys like this video. Now you can ask yourself, so how do you eat this? You can eat it with your tartar sauce too if you want, but I like to eat it in a different way. I'm gonna show you right now. The fish cooks very fast, okay? 3 minutes is enough in the oil. I'm gonna cut 1 more piece. This looks like sushi. Yeah, you can fry sushi rolls too if you want. So I hope you come back to my channel. I'm always uploading videos and we have a lot of videos that you probably haven't watched. So when you get a chance or when you have time, just, make sure you watch them. So you serve the fish on a plate. I like to eat it with some white rice and the salad that we make. I don't know if it's called salad, but I call it salad. This could be a pico de gallo. I don't know how you want to call it. It's good because there's a lot of vegetables in there. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. I hope you give it a try. It's something that you can prepare at home and enjoy it with your friends and your family. And you save money. When you cook at home, your food tastes much better than the restaurant. And you don't have to, spend money eating out all the time, Eating out is very expensive nowadays, so enjoy it. We'll see you next time. Thank you.